Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to withdraw your USDT in 2025. If you're holding Tether, a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, you know how valuable it is for quick and stable transactions. Whether you're cashing out for real-world spending or moving funds to another wallet, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, step-by-step way. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have a verified account on a reputable crypto exchange or wallet app like Binance, Coinbase, or Trust Wallet. Security is key in 2025, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled to protect your assets. Step 1. Log into your account and navigate to the Wallet or Assets section. Here, you'll see your USDT balance. Look for the Withdraw button next to it. Step 2. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. This is crucial because you'll need to choose the right network, like TRC20 for faster, cheaper transfers on the Tron blockchain, or ERC20 if you're using Ethereum. Always pick the one that matches your receiving wallet to avoid any issues. Step 3. Enter the wallet address where you want to send your USDT. Double-check this address. It's a common mistake that can lead to lost funds. Also, input the amount you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind any network fees, which might be around 1 to 5 USDT depending on the blockchain congestion. Step 4. Review and confirm your withdrawal. You'll likely get a confirmation email or SMS. Go through it carefully before approving. Once submitted, the process could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, especially with 2025's advanced blockchain tech. A quick tip. Always withdraw to a wallet you control, not directly to another exchange, to minimize risks. And remember, crypto markets are volatile, so plan your withdrawals wisely. There you have it, folks. With these steps, withdrawing your USDT in 2025 should be a breeze. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.